you remove this plastic, I think you should install the guard right away. This thing is very fragile. So I will pay more attention to this now. So you're supposed to start from right there and you twist. There you go. It is very, very easy to do. So this is for the front one. Now we're gonna do the back one. The same thing. The same thing. So you should not have issue with this. For some of you who might experience some problems trying to do this, so just make sure that you line it up properly. The little blue dot area that's right there, you make sure that it's lined almost towards the ending, but right there. See the blue area? So I'm lining it up right now with that area right there. Okay, see it's lined up, and then you twist until it clips towards the audio facing area, which is that little dot thing right there, and then you're good. Easy peasy. So you have installed this. Now you can now start walking around and not worry about it getting scratched. But I hope that my voice was not annoying, that you just got tired and like, I don't want to hear this guy talking anymore with his African accent. But yeah, thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to thumbs up the video and like and subscribe. Thank you guys so much and have a wonderful day.